Hey guys, today we are unboxing this Naruto blind box. Let's open it and you can get these characters. Naruto, I don't know the rest, but let's just open it. I kind of watched Naruto, it's my favorite, so 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my god, look at it. I suck at opening. Oh my god, yes, I got it. Oh my god, it's a red hair, no! It's a red hair. Oh my gosh. Please. I chose what I call. Oh my.
What's that?
I don't know who this is, but he's my favorite.
Kakashi.
Oh, it's Kakashi. Yeah, look at this, guys. I really got Kakashi, bro. Wait, I'll show you the camera.
Wait a minute.
Oh wait, I'll put the stand on and I'll show you. Right here. So here. Kakashi. Yo, look at this. Let's go. And even I got the card too. It's right here. And I got this guy right here. And this is just like a box. And I don't know, but the box is that. But how are we supposed to put this in a nice packaged way? Yeah, look at this. It's so cool. There's even a Marvel version, but I only got this. It's all pretty cool. And a Kung Fu fighting. And some like One Piece also, which is my favorite. Yeah. And how do you I'm so confused how did I open this. So it's like this, right? So you put it in a plastic bag. This. And I thought it was this guy, but it was Takashi. I don't know. And this is how we packaged him and put the card here. I really got him. I was literally praying to get him, but thank you guys for reviewing my channel and bye. Hopefully, I have 96 subscribers. Hopefully, I can get to 100. My goal is to get 100, so please better subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Bye. I'm in the Philippines, by the way.